What is up, my dudes and that one girl who's ready for some football? This is BikesBeardsandBrews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos coming weekly. Ring the bell, you'll know when they drop. So let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on the Cardo communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, it's not to go play some football! It is for a good cause, and that link is also down below next to the 1,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause. Got it? Get it? Cool. Let's move on. All right, so today we are heading down to Gillette Stadium to get this year's jersey. We're getting that all done and taken care of. It is a Sunday. The Pats are taking on Miami, so Pats, squish them fish. So let's get something else out of the way real quick, because I am a man of my word. I would like to congratulate Harley Fatboy Jr. and his Eagles for winning in Game 1. Clearly the Eagles were the better team that night. So yeah, high five to Harley Fatboy Jr. He won that bet. That was an amazing game. It was definitely heart attack city, edge of the couch, like back and forth crazy. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the rest of the season now to see how things shake out. Today though, I'm heading over to the Nero Cafe. I'm going to pick up Dave. I'm actually 1 minute away from being late, and usually there's a ton of lights here, which means that Dave will roast me for being late, mainly because I think I am closer, but I have never quite figured out the right time to leave to get here on time. I don't know, that's a me thing, whatever. I might actually, if I keep hitting all these lights and don't hit those pedestrians, I might make it. After that, we're going to head down to Gillette Stadium. As I said, we're going to get the jerseys. And then the plan is to shoot up to 603 Brewery because they are having their Oktoberfest celebration. October with a K, because it's still September. And, you know, we're just going to see how the day plays out from there. So let's get into this. Let's grab some breakfast. Ooh, I think I beat Dave. Hell yeah.
I know it sounds like he's coasting and his engine's off, but his pipes are really just that quiet. Just FYI.
All right, so we're at Cafe Nero. I only beat Dave by a couple minutes, so that's acceptable. And look, it's Dave. So we're gonna go ride over to Gillette. Like I said, New Jersey Day, so let's get some jerseys. That way, you know, we're ready when the Pats squish the fish tonight, right?
Oh yeah.
Can you feel the excitement?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right, we are getting close to our temple, Gillette Stadium. Check out that new tower. Much bigger, much cooler. I mean, the first one was cool. That's way cooler. So we are just about there. We're going to find a place to park and all that fun stuff. And then we're going to catch up with you inside.
Well, I'm never an actual fan of Dunkin Donuts, but when you're at Gillette, drink Dunkins. America,
Gotta get my Dunkies.
America runs on Dunkins. Unless you see most of the people that drink Dunkins, then you know they don't run at all. So this is actually the first time going to Gillette since they did all the expansions, including this new lighthouse. Dave was just saying that he's pretty sure this is the largest lighthouse in New England now, although I'm not quite sure what it's lighting up, except for victory. So, yeah, aside from that, it looks awesome out here. They've done a great job just building this out and making it look absolutely awesome. So this is a fun little trip that we're doing. Now, some of you fans of other teams out there might be a little bit confused, but this is what championship trophies look like, just so you know, like if you just want to check that out and maybe burn it into your brain, because that's the only time you're going to see this many in a row. Out here first, Captain America, Patriots fan. And just for you guys that are unsure, yes, Captain America is a Patriots fan all the way around. Captain America is played by Chris Evans. Chris Evans is from Boston, and yes, he is a Boston sports fan. So yes, Captain America, Patriots fan.
All right, we are rolling out of Gillette. Mission accomplished. We got the throwback Judon red jersey for tonight's game and for the season. I am excited about that. And yeah, now we're gonna grab some gas, and then we are going to Oktoberfest with a K for some beer. We're rolling up to 603 Brewery to do it. So hang in, let's go. All right, guys, we're just about at 603. It's been a little while since I've been up here. Honestly, I can't wait to get that apple lager, because man, that has become one of my favorite beers over the years. Like 603 kills it with that thing. It is delicious. So we are definitely getting here early, and part of that is, you know, so we can have some good parking and make sure that we get all the beer, because really at the end of the day, isn't it all about the beer? Dave, you're in front of me, but I can still hear my bike more.
I hate you. One thing at a time, man. One thing at a time.
I've realized this is less of an Oktoberfest and more of a block party. Either way, I'm fine with it. And this is an Oktoberfest, so that works out just fine, right? All right, let's go find some stuff.
Hey, this place filled up quick. Look at this. So we're going to be heading out from here, though. So let's get on the road. So yeah, totally legit. If you're up in the New Hampshire area, definitely make sure you check out 603. This place is delicious.
They reached out to us. I mean, it's fucking 5 minutes on the road.
Yeah, come ride with us. We'll take you to 603. Dave will take us. We'll just follow him. Oh wait, we won't follow.
Hi.
No unexpected journeys here.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah, you know how it happens. Oh, I guess we can go. All right, guys, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. As always, pleasure to be hanging out with Dave. We had a good time. Again, if you're up in the New Hampshire area, check out 603 Brewery. I cannot say enough good things about them. This is one of my favorites. Although, like I said, pretty sure Treehouse has taken the top spot for me. I'm gonna have to check out a few of their other locations just to see how the vibe is. But 603 always has a warm spot right here because they are awesome. Definitely check them out. Aside from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude, you know, who's like, I live in New Hampshire, but I don't know where there's any good breweries. Right there. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.